I'm running about 30 UltiMaker printers 24/7. I haven't been able to match that with other brands, and that's the reason why I started with UltiMaker and I'll stick with UltiMaker. My name is Korneel Bullens. I'm the owner of Korneel's 3D Services in the Netherlands. We supply white label services for bigger manufacturing companies like hubs, and we provide parts to a lot of end businesses like Sessi, Dato and other companies. There are 12 UltiMaker S5s. At the later stage we added UltiMaker 2 Plus Connect. There are 16 of them. They are there for larger batches of smaller prints, and recently we've added 2 UltiMaker S7s. We're running completely on solar. We have 69 kilowatts of solar panels on the roof that are powering the 3D print farm, which is using a fraction of that, so we can proudly say that every print is printed using solar power. We have Sessi. It's a Dutch manufacturer of home batteries, and they use 3D printed parts to make their product a little bit cheaper. When they need parts produced quick, we can do up to 95 housings a day for them. So we use easily recyclable materials like a PETG, like a PLA, plant-based PLA. The reliability combined with the usage of Digital Factory and the fact that Digital Factory also gives me things like an overview of what the printers are doing. I can actually run this with just no more than an hour a day. In the end, it just gives me so much flexibility with my time to have a printer that actually works and keeps on working. It just prints. It's fantastic.